Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we will do detailed analysis of Sonata software stock. Sonata software is IT service company. It helps businesses to modernize their technology with AI and cloud. This company referred this approach as platformation. What this company actually do? The company is into AI and generative AI services, cloud migration, data analytics, data engineering, managed IT services, software licensing, and products. The company left the traditional software methodologies and now it is focusing on the future of IT, that is AI and generative AI automation. The company has strong future growth prospects. The company is focusing on modernizing the business technologies with cloud migration. Nowadays, each and every business migrating their databases into the cloud. Sonata is one of the Microsoft's long-standing partners. It also partner in making most of the Microsoft products. The company is into data analytics. Normally businesses they generate large amount of data. To analyze the large amount of data it is very big task for them to make decisions out of it. So data analytics helps a lot to the businesses. So normally data analytics it builds the data platforms. It makes predictive analysis, it builds the dashboards, and it makes decision making systems. It is into managed IT services as well. Like other IT software companies, service companies, what they will do, they take the projects and then they will execute. Those projects are related to application management, infra management, data security, okay, mobile security, and other projects related to the technical operations. Investors generally like Sonata software because it has AI opportunity and it has cloud infrastructure, digital engineering is there, and it is very strong partner with Microsoft. Let me talk about financial health. In that, the first is revenue growth. The revenue growth of the company for the financial year 2026 is around 10,000 crores. The year on year growth rate is 5%, approximately 5%. Even though the growth rate is positive, but it seems to be moderate growth only. Profit growth is more important than revenue growth because it shows us whether the company is growing in a profitable direction or not. So profit growth is more strong indicator than revenue growth. Okay, in FY26, the company showed the net profit to as 475 crores, whereas previous year is 424 crores around. So the growth rate is 9% growth when compared to revenue growth. Profit growth is more. Let me talk about EPS. As we know, EPS means earnings per share, total net profit by total number of outstanding shares, and EPS value is 16 rupees for the financial year 2026. And EPS value has been increasing for the last 10 years. In 2015, it was 4 rupees, and consistently, it has been increasing from 4 rupees to 16 rupees. Return on equity and return on capital expenditure both seems excellent. ROE and ROCE values. That means the company's performance on equity and capital is really good. The debt to equity ratio is 0.14. It seems to be very low. That is very good for the company. The financial flexibility of the company is so good. The cash flow also seems to be very good. The company is generating the cash flow from various activities, the business expansion, recruiting, and other policies and activities. And because of that cash flow, it can pay very good dividends. It can do business expansion. It can do capital expenditure on its activities. Let me talk about valuation. The stock price is around 316 rupees and it is already down 30% from the 52-week high. And the PE is around 17, whereas industry PE is around 22. And as you know, after having all these analyses, I concluded that the company is not trading much cheaper. Okay, but when compared to other IT company stock prices, the valuation is reasonable. Let me talk about positive points and then risks. Positive points are investors, they like this stock because it is into IT, cloud migration, digital engineering, data engineering, and strong partnership with Microsoft. These are all the details which investors like, and they expect positive growth in the future. So this is the positive point for this stock. When it comes to risks, though the major risk is very strong competition is there in India. So this is IT sector service company, and many Indian IT companies are there, and foreign IT companies, they are into a service sector in India. These are all the companies. They give very strong competition for this company, and global IT spending, it has been reduced. Okay, in recently, so projects are delaying because of this reason. So entire, it's like recession, so because of all these factors, it can affect the growth in the future. Let me tell about shareholding pattern. Promoters are very stable. Okay, for the last 5 years, they neither decreased nor increased, and FIIs, they slightly reduced their percentage in this stock, and DIIs, they strongly improved their percentage on this stock, and these public and retail stockholders, they are stable basically, and 36% is very high percentage, and public, so the more stocks are there in the public hand, and promoters pledging is zero, so it's very very positive point. The stock is under consolidation. Okay, so after a strong rally, it reached up to 800 rupee stock. Now it came down to 316. Now it is, for the last 1 year, it is under consolidation. So I think it is right opportunity to enter into this stock right now, and there definitely there is a future, growth prospects are there. When IT sector growth happens, a strong rally happens. This, the major beneficiary in IT sector will be this stock. Will definitely, it will be there. And who can buy this stock means, who can have the investment horizon around 5 to 10 years, or at least 3 to 5 years, they can go for this. And secondly, those who have a strong IT knowledge and IT background, IT fluctuations, if they have, definitely they can go into this. So then so that they can have a clear idea when to come out, or when to stay longer in this stock. So those who can those who cannot tolerate the fluctuations of the stock and volatility of the stock, or short term investment is there, then I request not to enter into this stock for swing trading. So these are all my detailed analysis about the stock. Okay, if you like this analysis on daily basis, please, okay, you can follow me. Thank you very much.